Hey folks, how you doing today? So about 2 or 3 weeks ago, we finished our first Ride Sandy Kiddie horse ride. And I may have mentioned in that video that we had a second one and we have finished it. So for those of you out there who own duplicate race farms, you and your brother, you might want to get a pair of these. This one is still here and ready for sale. I'm offering these separately, but they will both be listed on our website and eBay as well. This one, as you remember, if you've seen the video, we did in a root beer brown with a nice black box. This one, we decided to go a bit of a lighter color on it, and we did the box in the same root beer brown. Now, this is pearl paint. So, I mean, first of all, everything gets sent out to the sandblaster, come back, any holes are all patched, it's all nice and ready to go. Then it is done in a nice primer. Then we start with our candies. Then we lay down our mains, then we do a clear coat, then we do a color sand and buff. So it's quite a process, and these are done in pearl paint, right? This is the best paint we can buy, bar none. So this one, as you see, we've done it a little bit of a different color, and we did the socks in white, we did the socks in black on this one. It just come out really, really super nice. Jeff, come up here, I just want to give them a shot on how we do the mane in here. You see, so the mane is all under the clear coat. It's all hand laid down under the clear coat, as well as the tail. The tail is all done under the clear coat. The socks, we color sand off. First we paint it, then we color sand, water color sand it off so that it gives it that beautiful, natural sock look for the horse. There's nothing else I can do to these. I put every penny I possibly can in them. This is a brand new saddle and bridle. These are the correct ones. It's brand new, made specifically for the Sandy horse. It is absolutely correct. Everything has been chromed. They're stunning. Ride Sandy 10 cents is on both sides of it, okay? As well as we have installed music in both of these, okay? I'm going to show you in here in the coin mech. Beautiful brand new coin mech, and here, my friend, is your volume control for the music, so you can turn it completely off or as high as you'd like. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get this one rolling. We kind of thought, you know, we could have picked several music sets of music, but we thought this was the most appropriate because who can afford this will definitely remember the music. So let's watch it go. Let's watch it go.
Attention parents, please do not leave your child unattended while riding the ride. Enjoy the ride, kids.
Isn't that beautiful? We love the music. Bonanza is one of an all-time favorite. Everybody knows the words to it. Fabulous song. Isn't that beautiful? Love it. It's got the correct graphics on it, plays on a dime, gives you a 1-minute ride. Once again, there's a volume control in it. You can turn it off all the way up, all done in pearl. Here's a set of them that are available today. However, this video is just for the one. So if you want them both, let us know. As you know, we got blanket wrap shipping. We can get these shipped out to you. We just put them on a pallet. We have them delivered right to your door. It's called white glove shipping. And if you have a kiddie ride you'd like restored, let us know. We can have it picked up, brought in, do the same quality of work. Anyway, these are a 10. They're ready to go. Here's actually a set, so if you like the horse rides, this can be yours.
These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.